firstly guys, click to start button, type CMD and right click to run as administrator, then click to yes. Okay, so I have some command to repair your update file, so just a second. So guys, this command 1 2 3 4, so step by step, firstly we want to copy first and justly right click, otherwise you can manual type. Okay, and then enter some starting percentage and then finish. So after that you enter second number, this one and this one and this one. Okay, now guys, I will give you second method. Again click start button, type service and again service, right click to run as administrator, and anywhere to click scroll down, Windows update. This is Windows update, actually this is running. So if disable or manually, so double click to auto, then apply and then OK and then restart. Okay, so then close. Third solution is guys, using any antivirus, so please disable, right click to disable. Okay, because antivirus blocking some update and okay, and one more thing also, click to start and disable your firewall control panel, view by category, system security, then firewall defender, Windows defender firewall, so turn on off, so off, then okay and then close. Okay, Windows firewall is turned off, you have to on click I don't want to, because okay. And finally guys, last and final step, you manual install. Okay, so open Chrome browser, okay, and type Microsoft catalog, then enter. Open first link and you enter that KB series. This is not installing, and search and then install. Is very simple. Okay, thank you guys. Have any issue, so please comment me and do all step. If you do all step properly, so this is not installed manually, you can update from setting. Okay, go to setting and install from there, update, install and download and install. Okay, yeah, thank you.
Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking and recently launched KB series 5031323, so Windows 11. So how to install? So guys, open any browsers and type catalog, Microsoft catalog. So guys, type KB 5031323 and enter. So guys, then open any browsers to search Microsoft catalog, then open new tab, then type KB 5031323 and then enter. So 3.5, and this is also latest. Okay, this is .NET 3.5 8.1. This is 22H2, both are same. Okay, so first link to click download, then click this link. So now actually downloading, so please wait few minutes. This is depend your internet. If you have internet, good internet, so you can download fastly, otherwise you have slow. Then guys, single click to launch, then open. Again click and again launch, then again to open. So when you 2 to 3 times try to install it. Okay,
Then guys, click to start button and type CMD and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator. So you're giving full permissions. Okay. Then guys, I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay. First command is sfc/scannow. You look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay. And then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done when your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care, and you comment me have any issue, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.